again I welcome you all in the new video, and this video is for class 9th. Okay, and this is the first video after the session break, and I welcome once again to all students of my school. Okay, and let's start today's class. This is the revision class, class 9th, biology, chapter 1st. Name of the chapter is the cell, and this is the revision class. Okay, this chapter is taught by me in the month of April. Okay, so what is the definition of the cell? Firstly, we should know the definition of the cell. So definition is the smallest structural and functional unit of living beings. Of living beings is called cell. Okay, we can also say the smallest structural and functional unit of we can say life. We can also say that like this. Okay, but it is also correct. Okay, so here is the diagram of the cell, and you all can see this cell is divided into 3 parts. This cell is divided into 3 parts for the study purpose. First part is the nucleus, second is the cytoplasm, third is the cell organelles. Okay, so first the nucleus. Nucleus contains genes. Nucleus contains genes, and genes is made up of the DNA. Genes is made up of the DNA, and DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Means deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. Before we will study. Before studying these 2 topics, we should talk about the diagram. Okay. So this is the diagram. See, in the center there is a nucleus. In the center there is a nucleus. And one more thing, this is the external, we can say structure surrounding the cell. So there is some space in the cell wall. Okay, that is called plasmodesmata. Okay, allow the water, some enzymes to enter inside the cell, and also to import from the cell. Okay, so here is a bluish line that is called middle lamella. Bluish line that is called middle lamella, and this middle lamella connects to neighboring cells. Okay, suppose this is a middle lamella, so there is a this side also and this side also there is a cell. Okay, so we can say the common structure between 2 cells, that is the middle lamella. So middle lamella, then just after the middle lamella there is a structure called cell wall, this black line. Okay, I have only demonstrated this part of middle lamella, cell wall, cell membrane. Okay, otherwise they would they are there entire सराउंडिंग एरिया. ओके, इस सेल के चारों ओर रहेंगे, लेकिन मैंने इतना ही बनाया है आप लोगों के लिए. ठीक है, अगेन सेल वॉल, देन देयर इज अ रेडिश एरिया. सी लाइक this reddish area is the what? Is the cell membrane. That is the semi permeable, yeah, we can say allow some of the matters to enter in the cell. Okay, that is why this is called, we can say, semi permeable. Okay, yeah, we can say selective permeable also. Most suitable is the selective permeable. Now then there is a cell organelles called chloroplast, and this is the biggest cell organelles in the cell, whether it is plant cell or whether it is animal cell, but it is absent in animal cell. ओके, एनिमल सेल में क्या होती है बच्चों, ये एब्सेंट होती है क्लोरोप्लास्ट. तो एनिमल सेल हो चाहे प्लांट सेल, दोनों में अगर कॉमनली देखा जाए तो क्या होती है, ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट होती है, प्लांट सेल में. कहाँ होती है, प्लांट सेल में. एंड मिडिल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज देयर आल्सो. इट इज प्रेजेंट इनटू बोथ प्लांट प्लस एनिमल. इट इज प्रेजेंट इनटू बोथ प्लांट प्लस एनिमल, एंड दिस ओनली plants only. It is present into plants only. Okay students, सो नाउ साइटोप्लाज्म, ओके, साइटोप्लाज्म जो एरिया होता है ना, बस यही होता है, ओके, जो एक लिक्विडिटी देता है सेल के, सेल ऑर्गेनल्स को, ओके। सो साइटोप्लाज्म मेन एरिना ऑफ द सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज, मेन एरिना ऑफ द सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज, देन सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, देन सेल ऑर्गेनल्स। सेल ऑर्गेनल्स मतलब कि इसको 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिए हैं। हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स? 3 पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज द डबल मेम्ब्रेनस, सिंगल मेम्ब्रेनस एंड मेम्ब्रेनलेस। तो डबल मेम्ब्रेनस मीन्स द स्ट्रक्चर विच आर सराउंडेड बाय 2 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन। ऐसा कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर जिसको 2 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन से क्या किया हो, सराउंड किया हो, that is known as double membrane. And what is the double membrane? Go to my previous videos, okay, of class 9 in playlist you will get the thing. So double membranous nucleus, mitochondria and plastid. In short, there is a trick also I told you all, NMK, okay. It is also you can make Hindi namak, okay. Next is the single membrane, lysosome, vacuole, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuole, Golgi body, okay. These are single membrane structure like this only, okay. This is like this, single membrane like this. Membraneless means it doesn't mean there is no covering membrane. There is a membrane, यहाँ membrane होंगी बच्चों, लेकिन बस किसकी होगी बनी, प्रोटीन की बनी होगी। किसकी बनी होगी? प्रोटीन की। और इन सब में क्या है, प्रोटीन की बनी है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट की भी बनी है और लिपिड की भी बनी है। लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होती है, आप ओनली प्रोटीन, इसकी बनी होगी, केवल क्या होगी, प्रोटीन की बनी होगी, ओके। एग्जाम्पल्स आर न्यूक्लियस एंड सेंट्रियोल, nucleolus and centriole. See, the greenish part is the nucleolus. Again I am doing like this, okay. This is the nucleolus. Its number varies from cell to cell. For example, in onion root cell 4 in number, So again just have a revision: nucleus, cytoplasm and cell organelles, okay. सेल ऑर्गेनल्स ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं जो सेल के अंदर ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं, इसीलिए क्या बोला जाता है इनको, सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, ओके। इनके अकेले की कोई पहचान नहीं है, इसीलिए क्या होते हैं, ये इनका एक कोऑर्डिनेटेड फंक्शन होता है, ओके। दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नेम्ड एज अ सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। सो चलो इतना ही इस वीडियो में, ओके, एंड वी विल डिस्कस the next thing as a revision in the coming videos, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.